Alright, we're going to Costco. Hello, ducky.
I have to go.
Yep, over here, over here. No, come on. Over here. No, you can't hug them. Alright, we're going to Costco today. It's been a little while. I feel like these weeks have been flying by and I'm like, I just went to the store, and then in reality it was like a week ago, and so we need to go again. And we're running low on some stuff from Costco, so we're going to Costco.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
We are gonna meet Brandon there because he had to do something this morning. It's gonna be good. Maybe we'll take you around.
No.
But for sure, we'll show you everything we got and why we got it. See you in a bit. All right, we are done with Costco. Took a little over an hour. Kids are eating a little snack.
Cheese and salami, as you can see.
Yep. Daddy met us there, loaded everything in the car. He's going to get his car and we're gonna go home. And Mommy forgot her water and I'm really thirsty, so I'm gonna have a little pouch. So we're gonna go set this up on the table and then we are gonna show you what we got. It wasn't our biggest haul ever, but we're trying to eat a little healthier and we're both starting a time of prayer and fasting, so
I'm really hungry.
Okay, hold on. So we're only eating certain things, so you'll have to stay tuned and keep watching to find out what we got. Okay, we're back from Costco, so let's just get into it. Okay, everyone, here is our haul, which I would consider pretty darn healthy. As always, we start with meat and dairy, and then we do produce and vegetables and more processed stuff at the end here with some non-grocery items, or item in this case, and the prices will be on the left side of the screen. So let's get into it. Okay, in the back here, we've got some beef patties. These are fully cooked, but they are really good. We got them probably a couple Costco hauls ago, and definitely a go-to when I need a quick meal because it gives me lots of iron because it's beef, and I just literally throw it in the air fryer for like 10 or 15 minutes at 400 and it cooks it so good. It's delicious, and they don't taste like fake burgers at all. They're really good. So if you see these, definitely check them out because I love them. And down here we've got some eggs because we go through a lot of eggs. This is the 60 count. We pretty much always get it every time we go to Costco. I'm gonna make some cheesy eggs for breakfast, and I'm going to give it to the kids for breakfast because they need to eat more eggs. And to go with the cheesy eggs, we got some sharp cheddar cheese. We got 2 different blocks. I usually like to shred one and keep a quart size bag in the fridge and then put the rest in the freezer. And I usually cube the other one or do it in slices sometimes and use that as snacking cheese for the kids' lunches and for my snacks and stuff like that. So I really like when we can shred our own because it doesn't have any of the extra caking, you know, powder stuff, and I just think it tastes better. So I tried to do that. Okay, we've also got some Go-Gurt. The kids love these in the freezer, and we just use them as basically popsicles. They're actually eating some right now, watching TV, so I can film this. We've got these snacking salami and provolone little packs. There actually is supposed to be 2 more, but as you saw, they had them in the car. And so they're really good snacks for lunches and stuff, and they both loved them. Benjamin used to not like the cheese, but now he does. So always keep trying to feed your kids stuff, even if they don't like it the first multiple times, because eventually they will come around, statistically. So we also got some goat cheese. I'm going to be doing like a quiche type thing, and so goat cheese is so yummy and so good for that. Got some of this Mediterranean chopped salad kit. I'm going to divide this up and use it as lunches for the next week or so till it's gone. And I also got, we're going to cut over to here, this spinach to kind of mix with that, and then whenever it starts to go bad a little bit, I just throw the rest in the freezer and then we use it in smoothies. So if your fruit and like whatever, like leafy greens and stuff are starting to go bad, throw them in the freezer, use them in smoothies, practice zero waste. It will save you money, and it's such a good feeling when you can use like everything, every part of everything, and nothing goes bad. Gotta repurpose it. So good. Okay, so we've got also some asparagus over here, Brandon loves to stick this in the air fryer with some olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder, or spag, as we like to say. And so we got some of that. I think it was on sale, actually. Sorry, we're going back to dairy here. So we've got some whole milk. We still have like one of these in the fridge, maybe 1.5. So we got some more to stock up. We like to drink milk, and I mean, it's milk. You can use it in anything. We got some Kerrygold butter, and I could not find this last time I went. I was really upset that I couldn't find it, but we found it today because they had the unsalted, which is the silver kind, which is, why? Why would you get the unsalted? I don't know. The salted is the best kind. It's our favorite kind of butter. Definitely always the gold color one. We also got some broccoli florets for the freezer. This comes in 4 microwavable pouches that you can just steam, and so good, so easy, always a must. And is this the organic kind? Maybe they don't have the organic kind. Usually it's organic, but maybe they didn't have it. They had to switch out their supplier. Oh no, I didn't even notice, but I mean, that's whatever, I guess. So also we got some mushrooms. This is also going in the quiche, and then we'll just saute up these to have in the next couple of days. Vegetable wise, we've got some of this organic mixed vegetables that goes in the freezer. Just so good to throw into pasta dishes or as a side or whatever. Easy way to get a mix of vegetables into the kids and to us. So we got these mushrooms also. They're dried mushrooms as like a little snack. Brandon likes these, and just a little something different that's not sugary, that if you want to munch on something, it's good to have. Moving on to some fruit here, we've got some strawberries, because strawberries are good in everything. We've also got some frozen blueberries, which are rapidly thawing because we need to get these back in the freezer. And we like these in smoothies with spinach and some chopped ginger, fresh ginger, some stevia, some ice, and one fruit to slightly sweeten it, like mango or apple or something. Make it like a juice kind of thing, and it's a good way to get greens into the kids, and they actually like it. The ginger adds a little bit of like extra kick, but not too much so that it's too much for them, so it's really good. You know what's also good is that if you're liking this video, you hit the thumbs up button. This is the best way to help our channel. When you don't hit the like button, YouTube shows this video to way less people. So by hitting the like button right now, you really are helping to grow our community. Okay, so did you do it? All right, let's get back to the haul. We like to do that. We also got some plums. We haven't had these in a while, and I tried to switch up the fruit we have so the kids don't get bored, and I don't know, I was like, oh, I'm gonna have some plums this week. So we got some blueberries also. Kids love blueberries. I try to give them a little bit in their like lunches at school with some other fruit, and in the morning and stuff they like it too. Fruit wise, we got some fresh bananas because we like those. We also got some fresh honeydew to chop up at Benjamin's request, and we also got some watermelon to chop up, which is Benjamin's request too. And a little tip that I heard is that when you're trying to pick a watermelon, go for one that has, if I can turn this, like a solid yellow space on the bottom, because if it's solid yellow, it means it sat on the ground and it's probably more ripe and whatever, like, than the other ones that maybe got picked too early or whatever. I don't know. I just heard that, and so that's kind of always what I do. Any farmers out there that grow watermelons know. But that's the one that we chose. Fruit-wise, we also got some organic dried mangoes that are just so delicious. Very dangerous because you'll want to eat, like, all of it. And fruit-wise, we got some of these organic snack apples. They are the, what kind were these? Ambrosia gold apples. So the kids have been loving apples at night after dinner when they're still hungry. I cut them up. That's fine. We needed some more honey, so we got the Florida raw honey, because when it's local to your area, or at least to your state, kind of like the stuff in it is better for you, and you know, helps you with like pollen in the air and stuff like that. And we got some garlic Caesar to have with salads, and this is obviously a cheaper price. It's not the healthiest dressing because the first ingredient is soybean oil, but if we're going to be having salad dressing and we want something creamy, this is just an easy go-to. So we got that. Fruit-wise, we also got 3 things of pouches because the kids get 1 or 2 of these a day for lunches on the go at school, and it's more expensive, definitely, but it's easier and it's fruit, so I like to give them that. So I have this organic applesauce, the Kirkland brand. Then we have this Go-Gurt Go-Go Squeeze organic that was on sale. So we got that, and we got this organic fruit and vegetable pouches, the Kirkland brand, which is also good. So it gives them a little variety. This has 7 different ones in it, and this is just a plain one. So it's a good little option for on-the-go snacking. Speaking of snacks, we've got some goldfish. We haven't had these in a while, so I got that. And we also got some pirate booty, because that is a staple. I probably should have got 2, but when they're on sale, I like to try to get 2. We got these for snacks, the fig bars, because they're softer than granola bars, and since Benjamin is dealing with some teeth stuff, I don't want anything too sticky or sweet or hard. Like, I'm trying to avoid maybe nuts and certain granola bars, and definitely we cut out gummies altogether because I don't know if that contributed to his teeth problems or if it's just genetic, because I have terrible teeth. My mom has terrible teeth. So I don't know, but we're cutting out some stuff and trying to introduce some new things. So this is softer, at least. It won't hurt his teeth because he still has to go get some fillings and such. So also got some of this organic Annie's mac and cheese. I like to cook one of these up and then add some of those mixed vegetables in, and maybe some kielbasa or little hot dogs I'll chop up, and it's a good like all-in-one meal that's super easy. So we got a whole pack of those, and we also got some of this cinnamon bread because they've been loving cinnamon bread with butter, only the best butter, the Kerrygold butter, with sausage or something in the morning. So I got 2 more of those. I'll probably keep one out, and then I'll keep one in the fridge, and then, or sorry, the freezer, and then I'll just take it out, the pieces that we need, and that way it lasts. And stuff on the counter here in Florida just does not last because it just is too hot, and freezer is the way to go. That's why we have 3 freezers. Well, we have one that's attached to our fridge. We got another stand-up, not a full size, but kind of like a apartment size freezer. I don't know, it's over here. This one, but it's up on like a thing right here. And then we have a smaller, I don't know, medium size maybe, chest freezer over in the living room. So anyways, freezers are the way to go. Bread wise, we also got some of this whole wheat, and I will do the same. One will go in the freezer. I might actually do peanut butter and jelly in one, and then keep one out for like whatever toast or extra bread things that we do. And this is mostly for the kids. Like, we generally don't eat the bread, but sometimes we do, every now and then. And also, I got this laundry detergent, and you might think, Brigitte, you just made your own laundry detergent, and I did, but I wanted this for 2 reasons. One, because it's the pods, and Benjamin helps me sometimes with the laundry, and it's going to be one of his chores, and so I wanted the pods because it's a lot easier, and I don't want to clean up powdered mess by the washer if he spills the other stuff. But then also, I find that if I'm using only the homemade stuff, I feel like it's starting to leave like maybe a little film or something. Maybe that's because of the soap. So I do like it a lot, but I'm maybe gonna do like every other time of doing it or something like that. So I got these so that he could help, and so that we could kind of switch off and on between the detergent and then the soap, because the other one is not a detergent, it's a soap. So it is different, but I do like it. So Benjamin, what is your favorite thing out of all of these food items that we got?
I don't think I like the apples, but I do like them water. So here's the total. This is Go-Gurt. It's not frozen, but when we put it in the freezer, it's gonna be frozen. No, I want to cut only the watermelon up today. Okay. Because I want it right now. Okay. Oh, so good.
You like those?
Oh, and we love these.
You like those now?
Oh, that's a big.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, and my favorite thing of the whole entire haul.
Yeah, that's your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay, you want that for dinner tonight?
Yes.
Oh, you got some of that? Alright, you gonna help me put this stuff away?
Oh, and we have some. No.
Say bye.
Bye. We're gonna put this stuff away. Let's go.
If you like grocery hauls in general, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It's actually one of the best ways to help support our channel. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you click below, and to check out more videos we've done, like our previous Costco haul, which we also went to BJ's, make sure you click on the screen. Until we meet again, don't forget, life is better together.
Put the stuff away.